the output types are of different. The text format, it will create a list, it will create an essay, or it can give you a conversation dialogue. Say for example, you want to list out the 10 movies, somewhat similar to a Google search, but it gets more advanced and refined. Actually, Google has got its own search engine, which is called Google Gemini. I'll create another video on that. uh, Google Gemini is the Chat GPT of Google, from Google. Okay, so right now we are discussing Chat GPT of OpenAI. Okay, so let us see this one now. So write an essay on impact of climate change. Suppose you want to create a scholarly article, it will create it for you. Simulate a conversation between a doctor and a patient. Okay, and you can also give it more context, like suppose I am diagnosing for back problem or hip problem. So those are the output types that you will get. Next is reverse prompting. Now, what is reverse prompting? Suppose you want to provide a providing a desired output, and you are going to ask ChatGPT how to achieve. Like say for example, if you want to write a resume, but you don't know